What's up, everybody? Dan Warby with Keller Williams, West Ventura County here. Hope everybody's doing great. The city of Ventura has actually been working hard to repair and upgrade the city's sidewalks over the past few years, but it's a huge job, and along with everything else on the docket, it can really feel like forever waiting for the city to get around to your property. Well, good news on that front this week. The city has actually started a program to get your sidewalk repaired ahead of the city's scheduled date. Basically, the way it works is that you can now repair the sidewalk yourself, and the city will pay up to 75% of the cost of the project, up to $3,750. There's obviously a few guidelines and restrictions, but it seems like a great way to knock out a nuisance problem or to quickly bump the curb appeal of a property that you're thinking of listing. A few things to keep in mind. First, you can't just go dig up the sidewalk yourself. You have to apply to the program by March 31st of next year. And the city needs to approve the repair job and the contractor before you start the work. You'll then have till June 30th of next year to complete the work. And it will have to pass city inspection before the city will cut you a check. If you're interested, you'll probably want to get a hustle on because the city has allocated $350,000 in total, split evenly over 7 council districts. And if a ton of people engage with that program, I can see that getting eaten up pretty quickly. The funds come from Measure O that passed back in 2016, and we've seen something like 40,000 square feet of sidewalk improved since it passed. I'll post a link to the program so you guys can check it out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments or just drop me a line anytime and I'll get right back to you. I hope all that helps. Have an awesome rest of your week, everybody.